Hi, Bubbles. My parents decided to cut down our own Christmas tree, so now we're going to a farm. Come on. Mommy and Daddy say I'm a miracle. Life is a miracle. What do you do with it? This is my journey.
All right, apparently they already cut down the trees, but it was still a neat experience. These the young ladies helped us pick out a beautiful 8-foot tree. The 9-foots were gone already. We were hoping to get a 9-foot, but who's here? Who's here? Really? Wait, I do see him. Oh my goodness. There he is. We've been looking all over for him. Tell him that we've been looking for him. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Is that him? Is it really him?
It looks like him to me.
Go
Merry Christmas to you.
Go ahead, Angel. Just stand next to him, love.
There you go.
Oh,
awesome.
Loving it.
Thank you. This list is so long. Where do I start?
Just give me one or two.
Yeah. Barbie.
Right.
You know she recites this before she sees you. Now she's forgotten.
The pink.
Yes, the pink was very important.
This is a beautiful setup.
It has been.
You're 6.5. You grew faster now.
Oh, thank you.
Merry Christmas. You know
Merry
how to be
Christmas.
good, don't you?
Yeah.
How do you be good? Yep, that's it. That's the number one thing. Just say nice things. Tell your phone that every night before you get to bed. You do that? Tell me your mind.
Awesome. Thank you, Santa.
You're so good.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. What are you waiting for?
I'm going to get hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Ooh, yes.
They call it hot cocoa. But
Hot cocoa. Yeah, exactly. Same thing. Merry Christmas. So you got your hot chocolate? Hot cocoa? Are you gonna put the candy in there? Yeah, they suggested some people like the peppermint in there. I think it's gonna be really good. I think it's a good choice. Alright, there you go. Mix it up in there.
The garbage can.
That looks good. So yeah, so now we found the saws here. So you can pick out a tree and saw down. Now we know. But it's cool. We're excited. We got a beautiful tree we'll have to show everybody. And we are waiting for the hayride.
Yeah.
Ready for the hayride?
Mhm.
Excited about the hayride?
am I supposed to have this?
Oh! Oh!
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought I spilled some.
On your shirt
Yeah.
too. That's all right.
You got it.
Okay.
So we're off and moving. What do you think? Good? Let's look at see. He said he's gonna speed it up really fast and we're gonna be like a roller coaster here in a minute.
You're joking, right?
Look at those Christmas trees, Em. What about 25 feet tall?
At least.
No, 55.
55 feet? Wow. Those are regular size right there.
Yeah.
Actually, even some of those get pretty tall too.
17 feet tall.
17 feet? Yeah?
I counted.
Oh, you counted, huh? You're really good at counting and figuring out height, aren't you? So tell us what's over here.
Horse ride?
Okay, horse rides? couple of them. There's a good sized ones in there. Yeah. So those are all the ones that you can cut down. It's like some nice ones, huh? So if you're coming to, I saw a couple yep, I see some stumps. Those are where people have cut them off, see? Yeah. Oh, look at that. What's left of that? That was interesting. There's some good ones to cut down still. Look at that one's kind of leaning. Yeah. That'd be fun,
Look
huh?
at that one.
We'll do that sometime. There, look at the little, it's like Charlie Brown. $35, that one there. That one's 40. I can see the price. 56, I think, on that one. There they go, and there's the saws. And we're back. Was that fun?
And we're still going.
Oh, we are. You think we're about to stop though?
Yes.
I think we are. Look at that. It's like your own little tree piece there.
I knew it.
So what'd you think about this thing?
Good.
I'll show that too. That was cool. They gave you that. There was like just asking donations for the hot chocolate. They had the mints there to go with that. They had Santa Claus.
And Emilee, was it the real Santa?
I think.
Yeah, I swear.
I think it
yeah,
was him. Because he
yeah.
knew. He told you got bigger. He knew.
Yes, yes. I think it was really awesome.
Some people have been saying that because they want to pretend.
It was a great experience. So, it is, you can cut yourself down. We just didn't ask. We saw a bunch of them cut, so the girls asked if we need help. They were awesome. They took us through. They strapped the tree to the roof. Like I said, we did a lot of things, and as you see, you can cut them. So it's not like obviously false advertising. We just didn't ask and go to the right spot. But you can do that if you ever want to do that too, which is really cool. And they had some beautiful trees I thought you can cut down. And we found a beautiful tree, and we'll show you a shot once it gets set up. Awesome. Fantastic. Yep, on the roof.
Hi, Bubbles. Now look at the tree. We already did all the things, and you see it when before it was all twisted up. I cutted this all of it, even on the very top.
Yes. Yeah, the netting that they put on it to keep it all together as you travel. Yeah, Emily cut the whole thing off. Very good, Em. Obviously, this is still bare. We're gonna decorate it, but it's a beautiful tree.
And by the way, do not think it's not Christmas yet.
Christmas is in the air. It is November 28th for us.
Daddy,
I'm showing the different directions of the tree. Fantastic. Exciting.
Bye-bye. Wait. Over here. Bye-bye.